Student, as I have discussed you about the database management system, that is DBMS. For doing that DBMS, you need software. There are different types of softwares are available. So among those software, what we will going to use and what we have in our syllabus is SQL. SQL means structured query language. You see here, this means a structured query language. That means this is a language where you have a particular form, and based on that particular form you can access the database. So structured query language basically is the database management system. There you can create a huge amount of data, and creating the huge amount of data, what you can do, you can manipulate those data as per your wish. Now when it was developed, structured query language or SQL was originally developed by IBM Research Laboratory in San Jones. Okay, so in connection with this work, what we find, that is a prototype relations of the database management system. That system is called system R in early 70s. So early 70s there was system R, now it is known as SQL. So what are the database we have with us at this moment, standing in this 2020 phase? We have with us like MySQL, then PostgreSQL, Oracle, Oracle 8i, Oracle and Oracle 8i are the different versions of the Oracle, SQLite, okay, then Microsoft SQL Server. So those are the different types of software what we generally use at this moment to do and solve our different type of structured query language. So those the structured query language what we are using, and as per our schedule of our CBSE curriculum, we have or we will going to use and MySQL. So why we use the SQL? First and foremost, SQL is very high speed. You see here, SQL is a very high speed. So no coding needed. You don't require any pattern of coding here. It is well defined standard. Probability is very high, and interactiveness of the language, that means English what you are using, general common English it can use, and multiple data can be viewed at a time. Okay, so this is the reason, this is the basic thing, that those are the advantages we can say, that why we will going to use this particular language which is said as an SQL or structured query language. Now SQL, see here, this is the logo of your SQL. Okay, so as this is a logo of your SQL, what you find it that SQL what you are using is most popular open source database software. Open source database means a database which you can use in any type of platform, a database on which you can access without any pattern of obstructions, a database which you can access, or the software which you can access or anyone can access in any one platform based. Okay, platform based means any type of basic base of software. Suppose someone has an Windows 10, someone has other different type of versions like Java, isn't it, or other different type of versions, whatever the versions they has, any of the version they can use the SQL. So SQL is what? It is a multi-user, it is a multi-threading, this particular database management system. SQL is especially what? It is a very popular on the web. Now the part is very popular in LAMP platform, Linux, okay, then MySQL, PHP or WIMP platform, Windows platform, Apache, MySQL, PH. So any pattern of platform, whatever it is, you can use them in any pattern of platform. So SQL AB is MySQL AB is used, and it has been founded by Michael Windies, okay, and David Axmark and Alan Lesson. So those are the persons or the scientists or the particular developer of this software. They has developed in the year of 1995 in Sweden, and laterly we have find it that it has been so much popularized because